The compact crossover market is one of the hottest segments in automotive right now. Audi's Q5 has led the way with luxury buyers looking for comfort, capability, and Audi's impeccable approach to interior design. We're going to take a look at the new 2020 model right now. To learn about other options and features, visit AutoNationDrive.com, click New Cars, research Audi, and then select Q5. We make it easy to find what you want fast. For 2020, Audi has added more standard equipment to make the Q5 even more appealing. The base trim premium model gets new wheels and standard automatic high-beam headlights. Pricing starts at $43,300. The model we're looking at today loads on some extras for an MSRP of $54,005 including destination. Under the hood is Audi's turbocharged 2-liter inline-4. This setup is good for up to 248 horsepower and 273 pound-feet of torque. It's connected to a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic. All Q5s come standard with Quattro All Wheel Drive. EPA rates this at 28 miles to the gallon on the highway and 22 around town. Towing capacity is 4,400 pounds when properly equipped. Second-row accommodations are quite pleasant, with passengers getting their own seat warmers, aircon, charging sockets, and cup holders. In the back, the Q5 can hold up to 25.1 cubic feet of cargo. Fold the second row down with easy pulls for a max capacity of 53.1 cubic feet. Under the floor is a spare with a subwoofer to add more punch to your beats. Audi is, of course, known for their top-quality interiors. Here, the Q5 is no exception. Add the panorama sunroof and Bang & Olufsen sound system for a true premium experience. Inside the cabin, everything falls to hand nicely, and all touch points are covered in high-quality materials. Even something as simple as a climate knob feels fantastic. The front seats get 3 stages of heat and dual memory. The steering wheel features integrated controls with a contoured design. Audi's multimedia integration is controlled with a central touchpad. With the optional navigation, you can simply write letters with your finger. The 7-inch display is standard with an 8.3-inch unit available. Plug a mobile device into USB for Apple CarPlay or Android Auto support. If equipped with the optional virtual cockpit, you can easily change the layout to meet your taste. Advanced safety tech is a key buyer demand these days, and the Q5 rises to the occasion. Our test car came with collision mitigation, blind spot warnings, rear camera with guidelines, rear presense, as well as adaptive cruise control with traffic jam assist. Drivers can select from various drive modes, including dynamic, comfort, and off-road. These adjust throttle, transmission, and ABS response to suit your liking. The Q5 with the base engine has a decent 8.2 inches of ground clearance. This is an important spec for anyone that intends to hit the trails or the ski slopes. But it's on the street where most Q5s will spend their life. And here, the Q5 really comes into its own. This is a compact crossover with all the style and function you would expect from Audi. Even the pickiest of drivers will enjoy time behind the wheel. The engine provides plenty of thrust, and it eats up the curves like an all-you-can-eat buffet. The 2020 Audi Q5 is one of the best choices in a luxury compact crossover. Whether you just like the high seating position a crossover brings, or you need the added capability, the Audi Q5 is an excellent choice. Visit AutoNation.com to see all the options from Audi. We have more than 70,000 new and used vehicles available from coast to coast. Find the perfect vehicle, pick your options, and arrange for a test drive at your local AutoNation affiliated Audi dealer.